So you wanted me to do another house walkthrough, but here's the opportunity. Stand by. Let's get it. Hello guys, this is Ty, aka the Flip Man, and this is a house that we're going to do a walkthrough on. Already got a buyer for it. Got a lot of gnats out here, so excuse me if I start slapping my face. But this house here wasn't really difficult to find a buyer for it because of the area it's in. It's sort of awkward because it's sort of in a commercial area, which is fine, but it's sort of awkward because the street in front of it is really busy, so it's really not in a neighborhood, even though it's a house to the left over here. Then it's a couple of houses across the street, but it's sort of outside of the norm for this particular market. But this area here is $250,000 to $300,000. So I got the house for $95,000, wholesaling it for $105,000. All right, so we're gonna walk into the house, give you an idea, you know, what kind of condition it's in. The backyard is all grown up. There's actually a swimming pool back here, which is somewhat of an expense for an investor because it has to be filled or refinished. So they're gonna probably fill that and go back with some lawn care on it or whatever. So we'll go ahead and walk into this joint. Well, you know I had to do some house cleaning. Leads, leads, leads. Generating leads is the name of the game when you're talking about wholesaling houses. Flip by Phone will get you in the game immediately. This is a system that I've developed over the last 10 months. Cold calling can get you in the game faster and cheaper than bandit signs, yellow letters, and or postcards. So flipbyphone.com, that's flipbyphone.com. Don't forget, you can definitely still take advantage of my over 250 videos right here on my YouTube channel. You can also join us on my live Thursday night Flippinars on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. You can get your real estate investing questions answered live on all three of those platforms. Oh, before I forget, you can also get a lot of help through my Facebook group, Wholesaling Real Estate with the Flip Man. That's Wholesaling Real Estate with the Flip Man. So back to the video. Keep in mind, I hope we can get a good video shot of it, but I guess this would have been considered like a possible den area. There's another area over here. There's not any lights over there, but this is a one-car garage. So they're gonna probably open this up. I have no idea. It really doesn't make me any difference. These guys know what they're doing, and that'll increase the square footage on the property. So last time I was in here, there was a dead rat down there, but someone came here and cleaned it up or whatever. I guess the owner sent his property manager over here. Oh, I didn't mention how I found this deal was through one of my Mail to Flip campaigns. That's where I sent out the postcards with the picture of the property on here. The guy is an out-of-town owner. He lives in Florida. Property is here in the Birmingham market. All right. So, oh, there's a rat here. Okay, I knew I wasn't crazy. There's a dead rat right here. All right, this is the bathroom downstairs. And so right here, hoping not another rat in here. But this is, I guess, was the official basement. It has a fireplace. So structure of this house seems to be pretty sound. You won't really know a lot of things until you get into it deep, but definitely needs a lot of updating. But again, this area, you get this baby right, you can sell this house in 90 days, you know, because I'm wholesaling, so that's on the actual flip of the investor. Now, if you're trying to estimate repairs, just take this house for example, right? We know it needs painting, we know it needs flooring, we know it needs all new kitchen, bathroom fixtures, everything, the works. Now, my guy, the buyer that's buying from me, he estimated 70 grand. So I'm going to probably do another video on this to show you what's the finished product whenever they finish it. So it'll be a couple of months from this particular video. I'm sure he won't mind me coming back in and doing something. So he said 70 grand. So just doing the math, 95,000. I got under contract, wholesaled to him for 105, and he put 70 in there at 175. They could probably flip it for 240. So what is that? $65,000 profit. So I don't see 70 grand in here. I would say 50 grand. But hey, he sent his contract out here and that's the number that he gave him. So going there, we'll just walk through some more. We're in the kitchen here, which not a large kitchen, so that I could almost guarantee they're gonna probably open this up, this entire kitchen to gain more actual space. They'll open this area up in here between the dining room and the kitchen. They'll go back with new cabinets, I'm sure, with all new countertops. All of this will just come out, because it needs to be modernized. All right, so we can walk back here to the bedroom. Hopefully nothing comes out of here. So I'm gonna run like a, what. So you have another bathroom here. Here's a bedroom here. Guess this is some installation or something that's fell out. Bedroom there, the carpet has been pulled up. And then trying to figure out which one is the master bedroom. Let's see. I guess this is the master, because it leads into a separate bathroom here, which it is a full bathroom because it has a shower. See your large walk-in closet there. So boom. So that's it, guys. You walk through this deal. Obviously, it needs a full rehab. Structurally, the house appears to be pretty sound because someone just recently lived here and had been a tenant here for over 8 years. But this came from some direct mail to Flip, sending a postcard, a picture of the property to the owner, called me. Within 3 days, it was under contract. I had a buyer for it at actually a higher price, and they backed out of the deal within 12 hours. I had another buyer for it because it's just a hot area. So as I always say, you have a great deal, right? You'll have multiple buyers for it. Cause people say go out and do this and find what the buyers want. You're always doing that. But whenever you're negotiating, you want to negotiate as if you don't have a buyer, right? Because if you do that, you should negotiate the best deals and you'll always have multiple buyers for your deals. Because that could have been a situation where they say, go find me a 3.2, 2.5 in this particular area of town in Shelby County. And boom, I went back to them and say, well, we don't want it. So you went out there and did that. If you're just dependent on that guy, then where would you go? So that's why I always say, find a great deal. The buyers are easy because it's not hard to give away money. So again, I hope this particular video helps. Another walkthrough, you all asked for it. So I'm trying to deliver. Hopefully this is better quality. I got my guy Video and Courtney reached out to me, and we're gonna do some big things, try to improve the video quality of what I've been doing. So again, appreciate you watching this video. I hope it helps, and we'll see you on the flip side.